Engineers Ireland My CPD has been designed to enable members to record their CPD activities. You access My CPD through the members area of the website having logged in. And when you land on the My CPD section, you will see it displays the hours completed for the current year and any hours remaining for that year. It also shows the final declaration date for making your CPD declaration. When you land on the Add CPD Hours section, you can add an activity, enter in the date, the number of hours, the CPD type and subtype, the organization who delivered or organized the CPD activity. You have the option to add competencies associated with that activity. You can also choose to add a document or a website link, and you do need to include the full URL. And you submit. And as you see, it has automatically added that additional CPD activity and that additional hour to the hours completed for the current year. In the CPD Record History tab, we can see the activities that have been recorded for that year, including the one that you've seen me just add. You can go into any of these records and edit or delete them. You will also see that you can export these activities to a CSV file. And this section also provides access to a CPD certificate if you have made your CPD declaration for the year. And this can be downloaded. If I hadn't made my CPD declaration for the year, then I would find myself in the Make a Declaration section with three options. One would be to make my declaration for the current year. This becomes enabled once I have met the CPD hours requirement. For most members, that's 35 hours for the year. Alternatively, if I worked for a CPD accredited employer, I could choose to declare in this fashion by adding a record of the hours that I have undertaken with my employer. Finally, there's the option to request an exemption, and here you can select one of the reasons that are accepted for exemptions, or put in whatever reason you may have to support your request for an exemption. In the CPD Record History section, if we go back to My Record, you'll also see that in the drop-down menu, you can access your records for the previous years, and similarly, you can access your CPD certificate for previous years. The proposed CPD hours section here is where you will find any events that you have registered to attend that have been organized by our regions, divisions and societies, where there is the option to add this activity to your CPD record. And you will find the details of those activities here, and you can elect to confirm that you have attended if that's the case, and that record will be added to your CPD record history. Finally, just to bring to your attention that you can also find information regarding your My CPD record in your profile. So here in the central section, you'll see the number of hours completed, for the current year, the hours completed in previous years, and also again you'll be able to access your CPD declaration certificates for previous years. If you do have any questions regarding My CPD or the CPD policy, feel free to contact the Engineers Ireland CPD team. Thank you.